Actually went back to my house to visit my grandparents. I'm only here for the day. Just went out with my mom, and then we're gonna, once we're done with the stop, we are going to go back to our old place because I guess a package got sent there that was for my little sister or her friend or something. And we're gonna go get it because, yeah, I don't know, I haven't been there since. It's gonna be pretty nice going back. It's been about 2 months, I'd say. But it feels like a lot longer. Guys, look. This is actually 130.
God. I knew livers were expensive, but jeez.
Wow.
I didn't think it was that much.
Yeah, same. There's 8. I don't know. Am I buying any silver ones yet? Optimus Prime.
They have so much monster trucks.
Yeah, it's,
I don't know where they sell those. I feel no one buys them.
think small. 52 Beetle. Everything's a Ram. Okay. And oh, it's hot in here.
I don't think this car is air conditioned.
Yeah. Monster Vet. These are 2 cool cars, but they're giant monster trucks.
What are they? Ooh.
There's a Corvette, and then there's the Bigfoot. What is that, 79? Hello, so back at my grandparents'. I'm alone, I'm home alone. I guess they went to pick up my cousin from school, I'm not sure why, but. Time is 3:11. Stairs, guys. I'm just kidding. It's like really hot out there. It's 84, but it feels hotter. I don't know, I guess it doesn't have a home button. Hi guys, it's 3:46. Grandparents are still gone. I'm gonna see if it's still hot outside. Oh, it is. It's super humid. Oh, it's hot. Insanely humid. Should be giving you guys a little mini house tour. This room with the air conditioner going to cool it. It's me. Bathroom. It's just kind of a storage area for now, but what's that sound? I'm gonna unplug that. That doesn't sound. That is that, right? Wait, what? You know what I think? Maybe the air conditioner downstairs, it's because it's kind of right below there. Was shaking the wall. That was the radiator that kind of rubbing against that. Anyway, so I'm showing you guys my room right now. This is what it looks like. Did go to Walmart earlier. These are from a mystery Hot Wheels pack. A bunch of them. Cooling my room down too. Got the AC going. This laptop, I did order a new screen for it. I don't know why this is here. This is the old one. I ripped this thing out for some reason. Just because I wanted to. But there it is. I don't even know what happened to it. I actually had it here for a little bit and then I went home. I feel like I should someone shower. Still no blue Jeep. My grandparents aren't here. If you guys heard that shout, then tell me, but maybe it was just my imagination. Anyway, the screen's coming for either today or tomorrow for that. So it's battery, which is really bad. In the future, getting a new battery. This is its bezel, I guess. The old screen. Anyway, I left it here for a little bit and I came back and it was just cracked and I don't know how that happened, so it was sitting underneath there. And as you can see, it has an impact mark or something on it. I don't know. Anyway, new one's coming.